This is a Casablanca Meridian ceiling fan, an antique brass. And I don't know if you can tell what's so special about it. It has a antique brass stepped hang drill. Andrew converted this fan to IT3. This fan is installed in his laundry room, as you can tell, because we got an old school Kenmore washing machine. Which I hope want to record a video of, not gonna lie. So yeah. Let's turn off the light and start with demo mode. And it didn't work. My channel is ADD, ADHD, and fueled.
There we go.
Of course he did it. Why there's only 3 out of 4 appliance bulbs in here, I do not have the answer to.
That bulb was burned out. There's a bulb inside. All appliance.
All 40-watt appliance?
One's a 60-watt.
I use 40-watt in all of mine.
New bearings, new flywheel, new board.
This fan originally had an RMM2 in it. And then it was like water damaged or something. Or more specifically, didn't work.
Yeah.
This fan originally came with a K4B. And
that's broken. Kind of. 3 sockets are working, 1's broken.
Alright, so that's it for demo mode. Here's the light. Let's turn it on speed 1. There it goes. I hate IT3.
I like it.
At least you didn't wire it backwards. Because when I had this in Ventra, I wired the thing backwards. So yep, speed 1 in all of its glory. Turn on the light, because for my camera you can see it better. So. This fan looks ugly with a K4S. Three.
I had to replace this box.
4. This has diamond cut crystal on it. 5. And here's high, which is 6. This fan is in Andrew's laundry room, and this fan is way too big for this space, but who really cares? Andrew just got a close-up of my face. Alright, here's speed 1 in reverse, which is going to take a minute. Actually, I'm going to do this. There we go. There's Andrew as he backs away from me. Speed 2. I'm going to go through this pretty quick. Y'all can figure out what speed I'm on. No, I lost track, but I'm on high speed, so reverse it. So that is going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching.